This is the 2012 Nissan March, and this is a proper daily.
Sous les étoiles, la nuit s'embrase. Le vent léger, doucement il passe. Au volant, on se laisse aller. Doucement, sur cette route dorée. Moteur ronronne, notre voyage commence. Les phares brillent dans la nuit intense. Les villes défilent, on avance encore. Au clair de lune, l'amour éclore.
Now, the Nissan March has come a really long way. Now, the first generation of the Nissan March started off in 1982, whereby it kicked off strongly in the market, and that was the K10 generation. This is the K13, the fourth generation, which ran from 2010 up to 2016. So, kama uko na gari iko hiyo range, that is the K13 platform. Watu wengi wadhaningi K13 means 1300cc engine, but that is technically wrong. These vehicles use the 1200cc engines, and they are a joy to ride. Now, these particular vehicles share most features with the Nissan Note, the Nissan Sylphies. Kuna a lot of vehicles zenye zina share the platform with this Nissan March. Now, what makes this particular vehicle special? This particular vehicle has excellent fuel efficiency. Hybrids try to emulate this vehicle actually. Juu hii ina achieve 18 kilometers per liter. Ukiweza compare na hybrids zenye zina achieve hizo siku hizi, zimeng'ang'ana sana kuweza kufika above 15 kilometers per liter, and this particular vehicle started it off in 2010, which was a marvel at the time. Tukiendelea mbele, this particular vehicle very easy to maintain. This particular vehicle handles greatly. Ukemo una park maneuvering in the cities, this is the proper definition of a city car. And today I'm going to show you what makes this Nissan March special. Let's dive into this video review. Starting off with the face of the Nissan March. Now, this particular model looks quite narrow. Consider the design of it. Most Uber drivers in Kenya break the regulations of the road by trying to maneuver their vehicles on the pedestrian lanes. And this is capable because most hot hatches or KADUDUs are very narrow and small. Same with the Nissan March. Hii gari inaweza kutoshea kwa pedestrian lanes, making it quite able to maneuver excellently in city traffic. Now, the other thing that you'll notice about the face of this model is the look of it. It looks quite cute and quite sleek. So it has a tasteful element to it. The headlights of this particular model are halogen lights, not the best in today's market with the LEDs on the road, and it's quite low as well. So if you're maneuvering in this vehicle at night, I wouldn't say you have the best visibility. So if you have an option, I would highly advise uende the aftermarket headlights and just put proper LEDs to compete with the traffic kwa barabara. At least isikue unfair competition, usikue blinded peke yako, blind others as well. The air intake at the front, quite narrow but excellent. Tukikuja kwa the Nissan badging situated at the center of the vehicle, and basically this whole plastic bumper right here, the plate holder, no parking sensors, no fancy things, hakuna front cameras, just a proper daily. Under the hood of the Nissan March, now this particular engine is quite reliable and quite strong. So this is a 1200cc 3-cylinder engine, also known as the HR12BE. The HR platform or the HR lineup here, these particular engines are quite reliable and quite strong. They are very fuel efficient, quite reliable, easy to maintain. Basically, as long as unafanya proper maintenance ya oils, una make sure coolant levels ziko sawa, oil levels ziko poa, everything will run adequately. This vehicle has been running up from 2012 up to now. Even if it achieved a higher 200,000 kilometers, the engine has no fault in it. Yes, ni high mileage, but you can't say this engine is unreliable, since it is the same engine, actually never been replaced or anything, but this is the same engine it came with from factory. So uta notice this vehicle shares a lot of parts with the Nissan Note, since ukiangalia the Nissan Note base model, you'll find this same engine, the Nissan Sylphy, same thing, and the Renault Clio as well. But in the Renault Clio unaweza pata wame either change, ama kwa Renault platform utapata wameweka labda the 1600cc or the 1.2 liter supercharged yenye tunapatanga sana kwa Nissan Note hizo digs basically penye utaita. But this engine is great. Recommendation is a Note, ukuje kwa hii gari, the power feels the same, but since this vehicle is lighter, you will feel like it's moving kabisa. It's quite small, has a very short wheelbase, but it shares the same wheelbase as the Nissan Note. Now the other thing that you'll note, it has very good alloy wheels which look splendid kabisa. The other thing that is on the body panels is this indicator. In later models from 2016, sasa past the 4th generation, the 5th, you'll find indicators on the side mirrors. These are power mirrors, so you can close them from the driver's side right there. At the back of the Nissan March, we have the brake light on top right there. We have a halogen rear lights right here, and ikona a very small ground clearance. So I will generally recommend for you to use this particular vehicle in cities. Usitumie in rough roads, utagwaruza chini sana, which won't be convenient for your vehicle. This vehicle comes with an aftermarket rear view camera at the bottom right here, and obviously doesn't have an electric tailgate, so you just have to open it like that, and that's the generous amount of trunk space that comes with this model. Now underneath here you'll find the spare wheel and the toolbox, which is quite nice for such a small vehicle. In the interior of the Nissan March, this particular model feels fantastic. Great rever positioning, great steering positioning. Kila kitu in this model was built basically for practicality. And unaona, even if you're a small or tall driver, there is an adequate headroom and legroom, quite comfortable. So this vehicle was built as a budget-friendly option. This means that the materials that will be used in this particular model won't be the most expensive, kama leather, but you'll find durable plastic, such as the whole of this dashboard, the glove box, the whole center console, and the doors. They are built of the same materials. The seats are fabric fitted, which feels quite nice and lush, quite comfortable, and quite durable, since they have no tearing or any discoloration since 2012 from factory. Now, the technological aspects of this model, hii gari haina vitu mingi, haina much technology behind it, haina the cruise control, the lane keeping assist. This was just built as a budget-friendly option. The key fob looks like this, whereby it is a keyless entry, but you need to turn the key, see push to start. The cool thing about this infotainment section, hii ni aftermarket. This is what I talk about mostly in KADUDUs. Now, in most KADUDUs, what you'll notice is it generally comes with a radio. But kama uko na uwezo, gari umepata on a very good offer. Tuseme upate around 300, 400, 500k hapo. Hii unazajiekea quite cheaply. Uende tu uconnect aftermarket system yako, unaongeza some technological aspects that help you enjoy your car more. Hii si kitu ya kukuzuia kununua gari. Uende tu ujiinstalie, and with that you have added the Google Maps on your car, you have added Bluetooth connectivity, and you have added a tasteful look on the infotainment section. The AC controls generally look kama za Nissan Note, which quite easy to use. Hapa ni self-explanatory. It's an automatic gear shifter, handbrake situated right here. The steering wheel has nothing fancy. Now, unlike most vehicles, the squeezes zinakuja na those buttons whereby you can control this. Since this is an aftermarket screen, you don't have such options on the steering wheel. But can you notice about this steering wheel? It's very light, very easy to maneuver. Umeona Bentley zile videos kuta niendesha hivi. This particular vehicle turns easily with this steering. We have a small 12-volt socket down here, which you can use to place your adapter uweze kupata charging ports in your vehicles, which I think is quite nice. Storage wise, the doors aren't the largest storage. Hii gari hautafuti space sana ya vitu kama storage panels za milango, but we have two proper cup holders right here and a small storage panel whereby you can place your phone while it is charging from this 12-volt adapter. We have another small storage right here. We have a third cup holder situated at the rear seats, which can be used by your rear seats passengers. Now, the thing that I don't like about this vehicle ni the rear seats. They are a bit uncomfortable for tall people. So kama in a family vehicle and you use them on long trips, the rear seats passengers watachoka sana. But kama ni Uber business, these short trips basically, hii gari iko adequate for the budget that it comes with. The driving experience that I will describe this particular model to have, it's that it is quite nimble. Now, if you are an experienced driver, unajua what I mean. The steering feel ya hii gari, it is very light, very light. Si zile unasikia nika una turn steering ya lori. Hii iko very light. The other thing uta notice na I've noticed with this particular model, I've driven the Toyota IC, Support Ranger, a couple of models, the Range Rovers. This is what nimekuwa nikireview. I've been driving them a bit, but I haven't been showing them since I haven't had the pleasure of recording it. But in this particular model, I've had the pleasure. Now, this particular model inahitaji mtu akona a very light foot. Haitaki mtu anaenda kikanyaga ndio a speed sana. Even the smallest pressure in accelerate gari vizuri sana. Nowadays in Kenya we have all those speed cameras, but I would say this vehicle performs adequately. Now let's test the U-turn of this particular model. We have to do a tight turn ndio tuweze kujionea how this particular model feels on tight turns. So I'm looking for an area that I can do a tight turn in. I think hapa ni place poa. Let me show you. Excellent maneuverability. So if you are looking for such a vehicle, I will highly say get it. Hizi KADUDU zinakuanga underrated vibaya sana, and personally sijaelewa mbona. Even if you are considering hata kama si Nissan March, if you are looking for kama ka Vitz, Paso inaweza chagua pia. Unaweza chagua any of these smaller models as an errand car, which zina function quite nicely. Gari kaa hizi hauangalii legroom ya nyuma sana, unaangalia practicality, and the practicality comes in the nimbleness. Inaweza maneuver in any city traffic very easily. Inaweza maneuver parking wise easily. Kama ni kwa traffic situations, unaweza consider size ya hii kama tuk-tuk, so you can maneuver on the pedestrian lanes, uweze ku access your home, uweze kufika home kwako faster. So thank you for tuning into Drive Dive, and see you on the next episode.